Okay, so this can be written as integration of x to the power of 5m minus 1 plus 2 into x to the power of 4m minus 1. Okay, and then whole divided by, I'm going to take x to the power of 2m common. If I take x to the power of 2m common, you get 1 plus x to the power of m divided by x to the power of 2m. X to the power of 2m yes, this is x to the power of 2m plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2m and then whole cube. X to the power of 2m, this is whole cube. You multiply, you get back the same thing. Okay, so this can be written as this is x power 2m out 1 by x power m. Yes, so now I can write this as integration of x to the power of 5m minus 1, okay, and then plus 2 into x to the power of 4m minus 1. X to the power of 2m, the whole cube, is x to the power of 6m. This is x to the power of 6m. Okay, so this is x power 6m. If I take whole cube, so this is x to the power of 6m. Into you have 1 plus x to the power of minus m plus x to the power of minus 2m. And then this is whole cube. Okay, let me write the m properly. So this is 1 plus x to the power of minus m, okay, plus x to the power of minus 2m, okay, and this is whole cube. This is dx. Okay, now if I divide this, you get x to the power of 5m, x to the power of 5m minus 1, okay, divided by x to the power of 6m. Integration of x to the power of 5m minus 1 plus 2 into x to the power of x to the power of 6m, okay, plus 2 into x to the power of 4m minus 1 upon x to the power of 6m, okay, and then whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of minus m plus x to the power of minus 2m, okay, and then this is whole cube dx. Okay, now if I divide this, if I take this to numerator, this is x to the power of minus m minus 1, okay, and then plus 2 into x to the power of, I take this to numerator, you get this as minus 2m minus 1, okay, minus 2m minus m1, and then whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of minus m, okay, x to the power of minus m plus x to the power of minus 2m, x to the power of minus 2m, and this is whole cube. Okay, and then dx. I'm going to put 1 plus, I'm going to put 1 plus x to the power of minus m plus x to the power of minus 2m equal to t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Minus m x to the power of minus m minus 1. So this is x to the minus m x to the power of minus m minus 1 minus 2m x to the power of minus 2m minus 1. Okay, and then dx is equal to dt. I'm going to take minus m common. You get x to the power of minus m minus 1 plus 2 into x to the power of minus 2m minus 1. Okay, and then dx is equal to dt. And from this you can write x to the power of minus m minus 1 plus 2x to the power of minus 2m minus 1. Okay, and then dx is equal to minus dt upon m. Okay, so this numerator can be written as minus dt upon m. Okay, and then divided by t to t cube. So this is minus 1 by m. I take this is t to the power of minus 3. Okay, so this is minus 1 by m minus 1 by m t to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 and plus c. So I can write this as 1 by 2m. Okay, 1 upon 2m, and then you get 1 by t square and plus c. So this is 1 upon 1 by 2m. Substitute the value of t. T value will be equal to 1 plus x to the power of minus m plus x to the power of minus 2m. Okay, and then this is whole square and plus c. So this is 1 by 2m. Okay, 1 divided by, this is 1 plus 1 by x power m plus 1 by x to the power of 2m. Okay, and then this is whole square and plus c. I take x to the LCM as x to the power of 2m and I shift to numerator. I skip one step, directly I'll do it. This is x to the power of m divided by, if I take LCM as x to the power of 2m, this is x to the power of 2m. This can be written as 1 plus. Okay, this is x to the power of 2m plus x to the power of m plus 1 the whole square and plus c. So this is 1 by 2m. So this is actually x to the power of 2m the whole square is x power 4m. X power 4m divided by 2m. Okay, into a bracket. You get x to the power of 2m. X to the power of 2m plus x to the power of m plus 1 the whole square. Whole square and plus c. That's the answer, guys. Answer is option B. Okay, you get x power 4m in only one option. Answer is option B only. Yes, let's move to the next question. See, this is not lengthy question. I'll put 2 minus x square is equal to t square. Expression under the root as t square. Differentiation of 2 is 0. So 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. 2 and 2 cancels. You get x dx is equal to minus t into dt. So numerator will be equal to minus t into dt divided by 2 minus x square is equal to t square. Okay, and then this is plus t. Root and square cancels, right? T upon, I take t common, you get t plus 1 and then dt. T and t cancels. Integration of 1 by t is log t. So this is log of t plus 1 and plus c. This is minus log of, substitute the value of t. T is equal to root of 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square and plus 1 and plus c. Square, this is plus 1. Okay, and plus c. That's the answer, guys. Minus log of 2 minus x square plus 1 plus c. Answer is option D only. Okay, so integration of, I'm going to put cot inverse of x is equal to t. So put cot inverse of x is equal to t. Differentiation of cot inverse of x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Dx is equal to dt. And from this I can write 1 by x square. Okay, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus dt. So from this I can write this as x is equal to cot t. Okay, so this x will be equal to cot square t. Okay, x is equal to cot t and then plus 1, and cot inverse of x is equal to t, and whatever is left out, dx upon 1 plus x square. So this is e power t. Okay, and dx by 1 plus x square will be equal to dt minus dt. Okay, so this is equal to minus of, this is minus cot t. Okay, left out is 1 plus cot square t. 1 plus cot square t and then dt minus of integration of minus cot t. Okay, 1 plus cot square x will be equal to sec square x. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So this is cosec square t, close the bracket and then dt. Shift that minus inside. This will be equal to cot t minus this is cosec square t. Cosec square t and then this is dt. Now this is of the form e power t I left out. So this is e to the power of t. Otherwise, how will you integrate? Left out is e power t dt. So this is e to the power of t into dt. Okay, so this is e to the power of t into dt. This is e to the power of t into dt. Even this is e to the power of t into dt. So this is e power x. Okay, e power x into this is f of x plus f dash of x. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So let me write this clearly. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x will be equal to e power x, okay, into f of x and plus c. So differentiation of cot t is minus cosec square t, right? So this can be written as e power t into cot t and then plus c, right? So this is e to the power of cot t will be equal to x. E to the power of t is equal to cot inverse of x. Okay, cot t is equal to x and plus c. Now if you compare this and this, right, a of x is equal to x only. That's the first option. Answer is option B. A of x is equal to x. Question number 51 is B. That's right. Okay. Question number 52. This was asked in comment K as well. Okay. Now x to the power of 6 upon x plus x to the power of 7. Okay, and then dx. So follow carefully now. I'll write x to the power of 6 into, take x common, you get 1 plus x power 6. Okay, now note this step now. I will write this as 1 plus x to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus x power 6. I am going to add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, so this can be written as integration of 1 plus x to the power of 6 upon x into 1 plus x to the power of 6, okay, minus integration of 1 upon x into 1 plus x to the power of 6, okay, and then dx. This will cancel. You get integration of 1 by x into dx minus integration of 1 upon x plus x to the power of 7 and then dx. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay, 1 by 1 integration of 1 by 1 plus x power 7 dx, that's already given. This is p of x. This is p of x and plus c. Okay, that's the answer. You get log x minus p of x plus c. First option. Okay, now listen. Denominator will be equal to 1 plus tan x plus tan square x. Right, I'll write numerator in terms of denominator. I will write 1 plus tan x, okay, plus tan square x. So I added 1 plus tan square and I'm going to subtract 1 plus tan square. You get back the same thing. Okay, now if I separate them, you get 1 plus tan x, okay, plus tan square x upon 1 plus tan x plus tan square x. Okay, minus integration of 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. So this is sec square x dx divided by 1 plus tan x, okay, plus tan square x. Anyways, this will get cancelled. Integration of dx is x. Okay, here I'll put tan x is equal to d. Tan x is equal to d. So sec square x dx is equal to dt. Is equal to dt. So this becomes numerator as dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, let us complete the squares. T square plus t plus 1 can be written as t square plus t. I add 1 by 4 and I subtract 1 by 4 and plus 1. First three terms is t plus half the whole square. Okay, plus 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 can be written as root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, plus t plus half the whole square. Okay, so this can be written as x minus integration dt divided by root 3 by 2 the whole square plus t plus half the whole square. T plus half the whole square. So this is x. A square plus x square is 1 by a. Okay, tan inverse of x by a. So this is tan inverse of t plus half divided by root 3 by 2. Okay, and then plus c. So this is x minus 2 by root 3. Okay, take LCM 2 till get cancelled. Substitute the value of t. T is equal to tan x. So this becomes 2 into tan x plus 1 whole divided by root 3 and plus c. Okay, you compare this with the question. I'm supposed to find out what is k comma a. The value of k will be equal to 2. Value of k is equal, let me check k 2 or minus 2. So yes, k is equal to plus 2. Okay, and then the value of a will be equal to 3. So I am supposed to find out what is k comma a. So ordered pair k comma a is equal to 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, answer will be equal to option A. Okay, 53 is option A. That's the answer, guys. Let's move to next question. Question number 54. Okay, now we did a similar question in 2020 as well. I'm going to put x minus 4 divided by x plus 2, okay, is equal to t. Cross multiply, okay, and then write x minus 4 is equal to tx plus 2 or tx plus 2t. So this can be written as x minus tx is equal to 4 plus 2t. Take x common, you get 1 minus t is equal to 4 plus 2t. So x is equal to 4 plus 2t divided by 1 minus t. So this question becomes f of t is equal to 2 into a bracket 4 plus 2t upon 1 minus t and plus 1. Okay, f of t is equal to, take the LCM as 1 minus t. This will be equal to 8 plus 4t. Okay, cross multiply, you get 1 minus t. So you get f of t is equal to 9 plus 3t. 9 plus 3t divided by 1 minus t. Okay, so f of t is equal to take 3 common, you get 1 plus 3t divided by 1 minus t. Okay, so this is f of t. Now I am supposed to find out what is integration of f of x. Integration of f of x dx is equal to, okay, integration of fx value will be equal to 3 into 1 plus 3t, that is 3t plus 1. X minus 4 by x plus 2 is equal to t. I cross multiply, you get tx plus 2t. X into tt, 4 plus 3t. 4 plus 2t divided by 1 minus t plus 1. So this is 8 plus 4t plus 1 minus t. So 9 plus 3t. Take 3 common. If you take 3 common, it will be equal to 1 plus t, right? So if you do the mistake, you will come to know. So this is, if you take 3 common here, okay, there's an error here. If you take 3 common, this will be equal to t plus 3. Okay, so multiply, you get 3t plus 9 only. Upon, this is 1 minus t. Okay, now this f of t will be equal to, integration of f of x is equal to, okay, integration of fx will be equal to 3 into t plus 3. Okay, divided by 1 minus t can be written as minus t plus 1. Okay, and then this is, I want f of x, right? This is f of t. So f of x is equal to, just replace t by x. So this becomes integration of, okay, fx will be equal to 3 into x plus 3. 3 into x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x. Okay, and then dx. 3 is a constant, I'll take outside. Improper, right? If you divide numerator by denominator, so this is minus x plus 1. So quotient will be equal to 1. Minus 1, so this will be equal to x minus 1. Change the sign, this is minus and plus. So this is 4. So I'm going to write improper is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So improper, you have x plus 3 upon 1 minus x is equal to quotient is minus 1, remainder 4, and then divide by 1 minus x. You cross multiply, again you will get the numerator. So this can be written as integration of minus 1 plus 4 divided by 1 minus x, close the bracket, and then dx. So this is equal to minus 3 times integration of dx, okay, integration of dx, minus and plus, this is 12 times integration of 1 divided by 1 minus x dx. Integration of dx is x plus 12, 1 by x is log x, you will get log of 1 minus x. Okay, so this is log of 1 minus x, coefficient of x is minus 1, divided by minus 1 and plus c. Answer will be equal to minus 3x minus 12 log of 1 minus x, okay, and then plus c. That's the answer, guys. You get minus 3x minus 12 log of 1 minus x plus c. 54 is answers option B. Okay, thank you, guys.